Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create bar chart in Google Sheets, laptop or PC. So let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets on my laptop and we're going to create a bar chart with this table. So the first thing we have to do is we can select the table like this and make sure you have prepared the table first, okay? Before you make a chart, you have to prepare the table. And after that, after we selecting the table, we can click on insert button. Then we can choose a chart. Since we want to make a chart, then we can change the type of the chart because we want to make a bar chart. So you just need to click on chart type right here, then you can scroll down until you find a bar chart, and this is the options for the bar chart, and I'm just gonna choose this one. Okay, and now the chart has been created, and that's how we can make bar chart in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.